For most organizations, IT underpins the business engine. In today's fast-paced environment, productivity depends on the performance of information technology. When a network goes down, productivity grinds to a halt. It's dramatic and it's visible to everybody in the company. Fortunately, that kind of catastrophe is relatively rare. Much more common and much less visible are the thousands of small glitches and setbacks that often go unnoticed because they are, unfortunately, common and expected. These micro-events do their damage hour after hour, day after day, weakening the overall environment over time. Common examples are network sluggishness that causes applications to drag, or technical glitches that halt the productivity of just one employee who must wait for service personnel to get their machine back up and running. These seemingly small tech problems can affect your revenue stream and accumulate into bigger problems. A few symptoms we often hear about when managed IT services are needed. We didn't achieve everything we wanted last year due to a lack of service and support. We lost data due to lack of ability with the solution. We had too many service outages and downtime. We overspent our budget on tweaks to our business applications that eroded its performance. Keeping an IT environment running smoothly requires constant attention and the availability of a highly skilled staff. Yet, many organizations are overwhelmed by rapidly changing business demands and the ability to retain proper IT talent. Today, IT managers are under a significant pressure to meet the performance, operational expectations, and security needs of the business while trying to keep costs down. In these conditions, most financial experts would suggest a switch to a predictable cost model, like that of Godlan Managed IT Services. That's what makes Godlan's Managed IT Services an attractive alternative or supplement to traditional in-house IT service delivery. Our managed IT services can help free you from necessary time-consuming tasks like patching, monitoring, and management of your IT infrastructure. Godlan will give you relief from the mundane tasks so you can focus on the strategic business initiatives that differentiate your business. Whether you're a business executive or a seasoned IT pro, using managed services can make your job easier. Customers often find that Godlan Managed IT Services are seamless and significantly improve the satisfaction of end users and IT support staff across their organizations. Your IT environment might be complex, but supporting it doesn't have to be. For more information about Godlan's Managed IT Services, contact us today at 586-464-4400 or visit us at www.godlan.com.